Ever wonder why some new businesses take off while others stall before making a single sale? In today's video, we dive deep into the pivotal moments that define early sales success. Stay tuned to discover why acting before you're ready could be the secret to your business breakthrough. If you skip this video, you might miss out on transformative insights that could prevent early entrepreneurial stumbles. Now hit the subscribe button so you're always on the path to financial freedom, and let's get started. Number 1. Unlock the sales gateway, the first transaction. The initial hurdle every new entrepreneur faces isn't about perfecting their product, but making that crucial first sale. Consider the story of a budding entrepreneur eager to launch a complex service priced at $4,800 for a 10-week program. Before fixing hypothetical problems related to scaling and fulfillment, the focus should be on securing the first customer. For example, a new app developer might spend months tweaking features without ever releasing a beta version to actual users. By launching early, even with a minimal viable product, entrepreneurs can gather valuable feedback that shapes better, more marketable future versions. This shift from preparation to action is critical, as real-world interactions provide insights no amount of forecasting can. Number 2. The art of irresistible offers, making them say yes. Crafting an offer that's too good to refuse is an art that can dramatically enhance your sales pitch. It's about creating such overwhelming value that rejection feels like a loss to the potential customer. Imagine offering not just your service, but additional perks that significantly increase the perceived value, like personalized consultations or aftercare that your competitors aren't providing. For instance, a startup gym could offer a month of free personal training sessions, significantly boosting the attractiveness of their membership plans. Such strategies not only attract your first few customers, but also build a strong foundation of trust and satisfaction, crucial for word-of-mouth marketing and repeat business. This method helps bridge the gap between customer hesitation and commitment, turning a maybe into a definite yes. Number 3. Strategic overdelivery, from first sale to market domination. Once the first sale is secured, the next step is to overdeliver. Let's take the example of a service that initially includes more personalized attention or additional services without additional cost. Over-delivering establishes a reputation for exceptional customer service early on, which can be scaled back as the business grows and standardizes its offerings. Consider a new software company that offers free setup and a year of enhanced customer support. Such over-delivery can differentiate it from more established competitors. As the business stabilizes, these offerings can become paid add-ons, but early on, they serve as powerful incentives. The impact of over-delivery can extend far beyond the initial transaction, leading to high retention rates and making it easier to introduce upsells and premium services as the company grows. In entrepreneurship, starting is often more important than perfecting. By focusing on making compelling offers and securing those initial sales, new business owners can navigate past the theoretical problems that never materialize, allowing them to truly understand what their business needs to thrive. If you're intrigued by the prospect of financial freedom and successful entrepreneurship, don't miss our next video, which explores advanced strategies for sustaining and scaling your newfound business success. Stay tuned to uncover more secrets that might surprise you along your entrepreneurial journey.